What if your farm paid you every single morning? No waiting for harvest, no seasonal uncertainty, just daily income. This is why many farmers are shifting toward one simple model: egg farming. If you're looking for a farming business with steady cash flow and manageable risk, this is for you. Let's break it down. A healthy layer hen begins laying at around 18 to 20 weeks and produces almost daily. That means eggs every morning and income every day. You don't need acres of land. A small, well-ventilated shed can house hundreds of birds efficiently. Compared to dairy or large crop farming, startup costs are lower and returns begin faster. Eggs are not a luxury food. Homes, hotels, bakeries, hostels, hospitals. Demand continues every day. That stability makes this business reliable. With proper vaccination, clean housing, and balanced feed, birds remain productive. Once stable, farmers can scale up easily. And income doesn't come from eggs alone. Manure and spent birds add extra revenue. Egg farming is not just poultry. It's a structured, daily cash flow business model. Low risk, steady demand, scalable growth. If you want a complete step-by-step guide to starting egg farming, comment below. Farm smart, grow strong.